In this video, we will detail how to configure and use the table plan feature, which allows easier management of your hospitality or service business. Table plans allows you to set up different areas, and within each area, you can set up multiple tables, as well as their maximum number of covers. Tables are color-coded to easily show which tables are in use, a table timer started, and you also have the option to enter the number of covers at the table, all allowing you to see your current occupancy and availability at a glance. Before taking advantage of this feature, you will first need to check you have the appropriate license type with your solution provider, as this functionality is not available in all license types. There are a few simple steps to follow in order to add table plans to your system. First, we need to create the areas and add the tables by clicking Config in the top bar and then Table Plans in the submenu. Like departments, you can have multiple areas which can also include sub-areas. In this example, we will create a restaurant area as well as a beer garden, which has sub-areas. To add your areas, simply click the New Area button, enter the area name, and either click Save or Save and Add Another. When adding a sub-area, don't forget to select the parent area before saving. Next, we need to start adding our tables to each area. To do this, click the View Tables icon for the appropriate area and click the New Table button. Give your table a name and, if desired, enter the typical or maximum number of covers and click Add. When finished, click the Done button. If you have a lot of tables to add, you can import your tables via a spreadsheet. To do this, first, download the template, open the spreadsheet, and add the details of all the tables. After saving the import file, return to the web portal and click Import Records. Select your spreadsheet and click Import Tables. Repeat this process for all the areas you have created. Now we need to assign the table plans to each store. Click Config in the top bar, click Stores in the submenu, and edit each store that requires table plans. Simply tick the relevant table plans for that store and click the Save button and repeat this process for your remaining stores. Finally, we need to update the profiles and determine how the table plans are used on the tills. Click Config in the top bar, then Profiles in the submenu, and edit the applicable profile. Click to expand the Functions section and ensure you have Transaction Suspension set to On or Local Suspend only. For more information on suspending transactions, please see the Tab Management tutorial. There are only two settings we need to configure relating to table plans. Prompt for number of covers. When set to Yes, this allows you to record the number of covers used on the table. This information is then totaled and is available on the applicable sales reports. Show in-use tables in the Suspended Transactions dialog allows you to show your in-use tables amongst your other suspended transactions. Once selecting your desired configuration, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. Repeat the same configuration on any other profiles as needed. Moving over to the tills, tap the Update Data button on the login screen to download the changes. After logging in, you will notice a new table icon in the top bar. Tapping this will open the table plan screen where you will first see your areas and the number of available tables in that area. Tapping an area will then show the sub-areas if applicable, as well as all the tables and their maximum covers, so you can help seat customers at the most appropriate table. Depending on your configuration, when tapping a table, the system will prompt you to enter the number of covers. You can use the plus and minus buttons or the keypad to adjust the number of covers, and then tap the Open Table button, which will return you to the main screen where you can start processing the order for the table. Please note, the table you are currently ordering for will be displayed in the top bar. After adding your items, tap the Save icon to suspend the order and send the items to the relevant order printer or KDS if configured. If we tap the table icon again and go to the same area, we will see that the table we previously opened is now highlighted to indicate the table is in use. A timer will also be running to inform users how long the table has been occupied for. Tapping an open table will display a menu of actions you can carry out against the table. These are the same actions you will see in the Suspended Transactions action menu. Depending on your configuration, your active tables will also be displayed in your suspended transactions. Tap the folder icon in the top bar and you will see the active table transactions with their area and table name where you can resume and carry out other actions. After resuming and tendering an active table, the table will then be released and will be marked as available ready for your next customers. More information can also be found in your user manual, and if you still have any questions, please contact your support provider, whose details can be found on the till menu or in the web portal.